Hey guys, if you want to see how I achieve in making my guava juice, ensure that you're watching the entire video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So right now what we're going to do, we're going to make some guava juice. So what are you looking at right now? You're looking at some ripe and turned guava. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually cut off the top part of the guava and the bottom part of the guava. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but that's what I wanted to do, so that's what I did. I did it for all of them. So yeah. So after I'm finished doing all of that, now I'm going to cut my guava up into pieces. Cut them as small as you like. So just put in the blender. So I'm going to do that with all those sizes for all the guavas that are in my container, so it can fit in my blender. So this is all the guava what I washed, cut from the top and the bottom, and I diced them up very small. So that's how my plate is looking, guys. Eating the guava just like this, oh my god, the guava is so sweet. Just imagine the drink. Oh my god, I can't wait. But you need some ginger. Ginger is very important when you're making juice like this. So it's freshly washed, but what I'm actually going to do though for the ginger, well, it's up to you. I actually take off the skin off the ginger, so if you don't want to, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can. But some person actually use the ginger, like just wash it and cut it up like that. But if you don't want to, as I mentioned, you don't have to. This is my preference, but definitely let me know, what would you do? Would you cut up your ginger just like that? Would you take off the skin? Definitely let me know in the comment section, guys. Let me know. And if you're planning on making this guava drink as well, ensure that you take a picture and tag me on Instagram. So this is how my ginger is looking, pretty clean now, and I'm going to just cut up the ginger right now. So once I'm putting the guava into the blender, the ginger can also be added also. it's actually time to make the juice. So I'm just pouring some water into my blender right now, so you guys can follow as well. So just pour as much as you guys want, or it depends on how much guava you guys are using. It depends on the amount of water you will need. So that's how it's looking once I'm adding the guava into the water in the blender. Yes guys, yes, so the blender was actually on a medium, I can recall. I think it was a medium, yeah, and I just had it like for a few minutes or a few seconds. Depends on the type of blender you have, or it depends on how fast the speed is. It depends on you, but mine was on medium. I just had it there for like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, I'm not sure, but don't quote me guys, depends on you. Okay, so after I blend up all the guava with the ginger, I have a strainer now, so I'm just gonna strain out the juice. Right now I'm gonna use my spoon or fork, whatever you guys want to use. Gotta be strained out very properly guys. I'm actually drinking some guava juice right now. It tastes so good, oh my god. If you guys want some of my guava juice, definitely let me know in the comment section also. And that's the seed of the guava, because you know that you cannot eat the seed. So it's time to sweeten the juice, so I'm gonna add some sugar. So you guys can use the white sugar or brown sugar, depends on you. So I'm using brown sugar, just sweeten it as you like. Some person don't like their drink sweet, some person like their drink sweet. I like mine a bit not too sweet but not too fresh, just right. If you definitely understand, yeah, that's how I like my juice. Okay, so I'm just mixing it. After now I'm just going to pour it in my jug, my juice jug, or if you guys have a juice jar, you guys can definitely do so. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge for it to chill. So after a few minutes now, after a few hours, I take it out of the fridge and just pour it in my cup guys. That was so cool and refreshing in a hot day guys. Definitely make some guava juice. So that is definitely the video for today. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye bye.